Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at doing some manual placing or manual placements after nesting your files, and this will also be a practical video for the nesting feature. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. And we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise we'll go back in the program here. So now, like I mentioned in the intro, we're going to be looking at nesting your files and then maybe doing some manual placement to better sort your files. Now this can vary depending on obviously what you're trying to achieve. In our case, I'm going to be trying to set our offcut to a larger space or a larger rectangle type space that's close to a square, so that maybe we can fit a different design into that offcut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with making a new sheet. I'm just going to set this one to let's go about 650 by 350, and then set the beam diameter to 1, say okay, and then we're going to go to your flat parts. I'm going to add a rectangle, and then what I want to do is I'm going to set the A over here to say 200, and then I'm going to set the B to 100. I'll say okay, and we want to add 5 of these. So we've got our shape there. Now I'm going to add another shape, also a rectangle, but this time I'm going to flip the dimensions. So now it's going to be 100 by 200, and this one I'll only add 2 of them. You will see shortly why I've done that. Now if I go here to nesting, I'm going to leave all settings by default, which is rotation off, speed by 1. And under configuration we are on vertical 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. So then we click start here, and you can see we've got our nesting happening. So I'm going to say accept, so we can just have it on our actual cutting plane. Now let's say we've got a design which may be a little bit more of a square than a rectangle. Then this space might not work for us, or this free space. So now instead of using a whole another material for it or sheet, I'm just going to go grab this one by left clicking on it, and then move this on top to the right, and then I will left click both of these so they're both selected, move them to on top of this one, and then I can left click this one, either move to the bottom or the top, but I would recommend in this case it will be the bottom, so that we've got this extra space as well. Now keep in mind, if it happens what you saw there, where it flips back to its original position, that means you've gone too close to an edge and doesn't confirm the move. So just put that back to the bottom here, and now you can see we've got a nice more rectangle, a square type position here. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the actual practical. So like I said, this is great for if you're trying to save some offcut space, then you can just reposition after you've nested your files. But otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.